If you're tired of embarrassing yourself by snoring too loud, follow these tips. Maintain a healthy weight through exercise and a balanced diet. Sleep on your side to prevent airway obstruction. Elevate your head with an extra pillow or by raising the bed slightly. Avoid alcohol and sedatives as they relax throat muscles and contribute to snoring. Keep nasal passages clear using saline sprays or nasal strips. Address allergies and sinus issues that can obstruct airflow. Stay hydrated to keep nasal secretions thin. Quit smoking to reduce throat inflammation and irritation. Try oral appliances or nasal devices designed to keep the airway open.